Hey everybody, Eddie Going here, back again with another video about my hair transformation journey. And I've got some pretty exciting news. This is my first ever custom hair system from LaVivid, and I'm extremely happy with it. It's probably my favorite system that I've ever had, and I've been using systems since 2018. I got two custom systems. This one's already been fitted and cut, and I left the style. This is sort of bedhead. I didn't do too much to it today because I wanted it to look as natural as possible when it comes out of bed. This is out of the box, curly Q, and as you can see, it comes on the plastic piece just to hold the skin down. This is a combination base. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. I'm gonna show you my blonde system right here, which is all cut, obviously still in great condition. I loved this hair system. It's a very thin skin, so while it is a bit more delicate than the last dark-haired unit I was using, it's a bit more of a natural hairline. We've got the ombre shadow root going on here. I'm gonna save this for either summertime. Maybe I'll put it on in a couple of weeks if I'm feeling a little frisky or if I feel like I need to give this one a break. But if you look at the thickness of the base, this is a thinner base. I can't stretch it too much because I don't want to rip it. But this base, and I'll link all of these in the description below, this is so thick, you can't rip it. The only way to cut through this is to legitimately cut through it. I'll post a picture of me wearing this system right here so you can see. I loved this system despite its unnatural looking hairline. Personally, I didn't mind it. I actually liked the thickness of it. I liked the look of it, and it was pretty easy to redo the hairline after a week or so when it started to lift. It was very easy to clean this base and to reapply it with just clear adhesive. Now, the thing with the blonde system is it wasn't really me, but I enjoyed the person that I could be when I was wearing it. The sides needed to be really short. The break was obvious with the blonde system, but I think that if your hair is this unnaturally blonde, it's okay to have a little bit of a break, whether you've got hair systems or not. The thing with the custom system is it's a thicker hair density than the blonde system and my previous brown systems, but it's a thicker base than the last brown system I was using. That's why I'm in love with this custom system. I'm so happy I have a second one. What I'm gonna do when I order my next custom system is I'm gonna get it a little bit larger because right now, basically, my stylist had to stretch it as best she could to get full coverage on the back. And when I do the when I do the touch-ups on the frontal hairline, I have to stretch it a little bit just to get full coverage for my hairline to get it to look as natural as possible. So I'm so happy right now with this system. This one I feel doesn't shed that much at all. Actually, little to no shedding so far, knock on wood. And I'm gonna do this system in the next few weeks. I'm gonna have it cut and I'm gonna have it be a longer version, more of a, what's that word? Kind of like the, what's the word? I can't think of it, where your hair is brushed back like that. I'm gonna have this one be a bit longer that way so that I have my shorter system brushed up, pompano. Anyway, thanks for watching my videos. Please DM me on the social medias with any questions you have. Reach out to LaVivid. Click the links below to go directly to any of these hair systems that I've showed you today, or to make your dream hair system like I have, which I'm telling you, when I make this one a little bit bigger, I'm gonna hold on to it as long as I can because it's honestly been a dream come true. And I'm not just saying that. This has been my favorite haircut and hair system by far, and I want it to last me a couple of months. Now, on one hand, these systems have become very disposable in the sense that you can just buy a new one, use it out, have it, you know, rip or thin, and then get another one. I love when I have a good cut with a good system that I can switch out over the next couple of months with other systems. So that's how I feel. Maybe you feel the same way. Let me know in the comments below if there's any other questions you have. DM me on the social medias. As always, it was great to see you, and I'll talk to you soon.